coming.
Flip this over. And dry that.
Gotten hose hooked up. Get some lines down there, get some water going. Gonna be dialed. Well, got the hose ran from the well tank all the way down to these two tanks. We're gonna use these to fill up. We're gonna have a fire hose that runs all the way down there to give water to the track. So we're down here getting the hose brought in so we can start filling this one up and then fill the other one up. We've got 500 feet of fire hose to run down there to feed the water on the track. So we're dialed. All right, so we're getting the tanks filled up. We got a little bit of water down on the course for tomorrow, so it's not super dusty, but we got one full. This one's filling up right now. And Dozer's almost here, so we're dialed. Alright, so we got the Dozer up here. It finally arrived. This thing so sick. Dude, we're dialed. Track's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be lit.
Woo! Big truck, dude. We're driving up the hill. We got the Dozer aboard. Oh fuck, we're probably have to.
He stole the bike.
Gotta give him some room here. These Johns are going slow. Well, it's 5:30 in the morning. We're working on the road, starting to get that dialed in before we go down to the track. And the dirt's actually pretty wet underneath. You can't really, it's hard to see, but it's wet. So, it's gonna be dialed. Making quick work of it. Starting it out.
They see me doing me and they get so inspirated. Bitch, you know me, I ain't worried about who hating. Smoking seaweed, man, I sit adjacent. Falling jewels jingling, hanging from me while a ranger. Posted no clip, just peace in my holster. Plan B, pull the blade on him, now he hold up. Grow up, I ain't so sub, but I still make her glow up.
Maybe antelope down here. We're getting the finish line double set up right now. The landing is tracked out. You know, we got to dial it in a little bit more, but it's getting there. The lip is getting built right now. This is about to be 60 feet ish, give or take. But yeah, it's a work in progress. All right, it's windy still, but we got doubling over there, roller double. We got the back section in. That section's, we're gonna dial in that jump and get the rollers fixed up. So they're just kind of pushed out right now. This jump needs to be fixed, but you know, we're getting there. We basically just got the piles there. We're gonna go back and get them all nice and iced up. So yeah, it's coming along. Good morning, everybody. I didn't film a lot yesterday evening, because we were so busy, but we got a lot done. Got this rhythm section almost done. Well, not almost done, I still gotta go down there. This double right here is finished. This is 75 feet. As you see, it comes from a double over there to a single to another double. Left-hander, up the hill, back down. Should be rideable today. We can do some testing and such. Getting the rhythm section dialed in.
perks in my cauldron, mixing up the potion. Young white witch and the skills just flow. Feel like a condo, posted in the corridor. Give me the light like Sean Paul, smoking like I'm bombing, bro. I said stop, lying, acting like you grind, flexing in the business, get your sleep. Your mama ain't around to see your son be nothing. Hope you know nobody round when you say you stunning. No axe, just a blade on my lap. No back, let you know it's like that. Green grass, white stone. Diving board, made a diamond shining while I'm in my tomb. No